Got him.
There he is. Woo-hoo.
Got him. Let's go. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Today we're doing some trout fishing. We're at Yellow Creek Trout Club. I'm with Colin Greene. He's with Dynamic Lures. He invited me out here. Hopefully we can catch some fish.
Browns, brooks, tigers, rainbows all day.
All kinds of stuff.
Welcome to Yellow Creek Trout Club.
Let's do it. Stay tuned, guys. Today I'm using a 6-foot light fish hawk rod. I got a Shimano Sedona 1000. My Stratic started making some noises, so I went out and got this one. I got 6-pound test P-line fluorocarbon. Today I'm starting out with this Dynamic Lures Trout HD fire crawl pattern. Let's catch some fish. Bottom. Oh. He hit it right under that tree.
Oh yeah.
In the net.
Very nice brook trout. Holy
Sweet.
heck.
Let's go. All right, guys, we're on the board with a brook trout. We're gonna head to a new spot. Oh, there's a freaking fish on this line, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
No
I just caught this line with my.
Is it a rainbow?
Yeah.
So you saved its life.
I just saved his life, hopefully. All right, guys, I just snagged someone's line and this fish was on the end of the line, so at least we saved him. It's a fatty. All right, guys, I'm gonna give something else a try. If you guys are interested in any Dynamic Lures, I'm gonna leave a link down in the description. They have a bunch of really cool trout lures and a bunch of different patterns, so check them out. All right, guys, we're gonna try this Gulp Minnow. Got it on a little trout magnet head. And then I have a little trout magnet float. Got him.
There we go.
Fish on. Looks like a rainbow. Oh, in the net. I wasn't even paying attention, looked up and my bobber was gone. Fish number 2, nice rainbow. Got another one. Another rainbow.
Yep, another rainbow.
He's not gonna fight till he gets right here.
Awesome.
Fish number 3, guys. Another rainbow.
Got him.
Nice.
Rainbow.
Nice rainbow.
Yes, let's go.
Nice bow.
That's a nice one. That's definitely the biggest I've caught today. Big shout out to the trout guys on Instagram. I've been talking to them. They filled me in on this little secret trout magnet jig head, trout magnet float, and gulp minnows. These are the gulp minnows I'm using. These are the smelt 2.5 inch. That's at least 3 or 4 fish from the same hole since I switched over to using this. Gonna have to go buy another bag of these. Just like that, nice and straight on the jig head. This is a great technique for pressured fish. Very natural approach. Looks like a dead minnow just floating down the creek. And that gulp has that awesome scent on it, so if they even come close to check it out, they'll smell that gulp scent on it, and usually they can't resist. Got one. Fish on. It's like a nice, another rainbow.
Nice. I knew you'd get them right here too. It's a nice rainbow.
Got him. Good stuff. Another nice rainbow, guys. After you catch several trout, especially bigger trout, you should always cut your jig head or lure off and retie, because over time that knot gets weak. Got him.
Nice.
Little rainbow.
Nice. I knew they'd be eating over here.
Nice chunky rainbow on the gulp minnow. There's one. Little rainbow. Little rainbow.
I just had a brown on.
Another one right there with it.
Yep. On. Flung that minnow.
Ah, came off right when I netted him. Big rainbow, guys. There we go. He drilled it right in the current.
That's a nice fish.
That's a pretty good one. Oh!
That fight was still worth it.
Oh, absolutely. All right, guys, we just got done eating. We ate some deer brats. I want to give this a shot. It's a little ice jig and a honey power worm. I think it's a good little natural presentation, so see what happens. Oh, I got a fish. I did not know I had a fish, but I do. Was not paying attention at all. Oh! All right, let's see if I can redeem myself. Got him. Big boy. Look at that fish hawk rod. Let's go. Let's go. Look, right in the upper. Yeah, he's got a fly in his gill. But look at the ice jig. That thing wasn't coming out. All right, let's get him unhooked.
It's about a 23, maybe 22-inch rainbow trout.
Yeah?
Congratulations, fish hawk. She's a tank, dude.
She fought hard. There she goes. Wow, bent the hook out a little bit. Got him. Don't go down that. No. Do not go down that waterfall. There's one with it that's way bigger. Oh my gosh. Another rainbow, guys. I'm gonna switch it up, guys. I'm gonna go back to that gulp that I was using earlier. That's what they really, really liked. And I want to catch a couple more before it gets too dark. Went back to the trout magnet head and a gulp minnow. Bada bing, bada boom. Got him.
There he is. Woohoo! Grabbing that net back. I got him. Oh, it's a tank. Coming down on him. That's a big boat.
Let's go.
Nice.
Good net job.
Thanks, brother.
That was slick. Woo! All right, guys, that is going to do it for today. Had a great time out here at Yellow Creek Trout Club with Colin. We caught a lot of fish, had a lot of fun. It was a great day. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. All the information for the gear I used will be down in the description if you want to check it out. If you guys are new to my channel and you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also give me a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. If you guys want me to come back here sometime in the future and do some more fishing, make sure you drop a comment. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Fish Hawk out.